Every building, car, and colorful wall we see owes its beauty to paint. But behind that smooth finish is an industrial process involving chemistry, precision, and massive machines. In paint factories around the world, millions of liters are produced every day to meet the demands of industries and households. But how is paint made in such large quantities, those perfect shades that stick, shine, and last? Let's take a look inside a paint mega factory. Step 1. Gathering raw ingredients. Paint is made up of 4 primary components: pigments, binders, solvents, and additives. Each plays a unique role. Pigments provide color and opacity. Common pigments include titanium, iron oxide for red and brown, and various synthetic dyes. Binders are what hold the paint together and help it adhere to surfaces. Acrylics, alkyds, and polyurethanes are common examples. Solvents control the paint's viscosity, making it easier to apply. These can be water, in water-based paints, or mineral spirits, in oil-based paints. Additives enhance specific properties like drying time, mold resistance, or glossiness. These ingredients are delivered to the factory in bulk, often in tankers, barrels, or massive storage silos, ready for the first step: precise weighing and batching. Step 2. Dispersion and mixing. The first major production step is dispersion, where the dry pigments are blended with a portion of the solvent and additives. This process happens in time. The goal is to break down the pigment particles so they are evenly distributed and suspended in the liquid. Large dispersion tanks are fitted with rotating blades that spin at incredibly high speeds, sometimes up to 1,500 RPM, turning thick slurries into smooth, uniform mixtures. To maintain color accuracy and consistency, computerized batching systems are used. These machines measure each component down to the last gram, ensuring the same results whether it's a single batch or thousands of liters. Step 3. Grinding and milling. Once the pigment slurry is created, it moves on to milling machines, where it's further refined to remove any remaining clumps or uneven particles. These machines use bead mills or ball mills, cylindrical drums filled with tiny metal or ceramic balls. As the pigment mixture flows through, the balls tumble and grind the particles down to the desired size, often less than 5 microns. This grinding step is essential for achieving that smooth finish we expect from quality paint. Too large a pigment particle, and the paint will feel gritty or leave streaks. Step 4. Adding binders and final ingredients. Now that the pigment is properly dispersed and ground, the next stage is to mix in the binder, the heart of any paint formulation. The binder determines how well the paint sticks to surfaces and how durable it will be after drying. Depending on the type of paint, latex, enamel, or epoxy, different types of binders are added, and the formulation is adjusted accordingly. The remaining solvents and specialized additives are introduced at this point, each carefully measured by automated systems. Additives may include antifungal agents to prevent mold, anti-settling agents to keep pigment suspended, flow modifiers to improve how the paint spreads, UV blockers to protect colors from fading in sunlight. The entire mixture is stirred in giant blending tanks, which can hold up to 30,000 liters or more. These tanks slowly rotate for hours, ensuring the paint is fully homogenized and ready for final processing. Step 5. Quality testing. Before it can be packaged, every batch of paint goes through rigorous quality control tests. Trained technicians pull samples and analyze them in on-site laboratories. Tests include color matching using spectrophotometers, viscosity testing to check thickness, drying time tests under controlled conditions, adhesion and durability tests on different surfaces, pH and chemical stability checks. If any aspect of the paint falls outside the factory's strict specifications, it's either adjusted or rejected. Consistency is everything. Customers expect the exact same shade and finish every time. Paint into containers. High-speed automated filling machines handle the job. The paint is pumped into filling lines, where nozzles dispense briquettes or large drums. Every container is weighed automatically to ensure correct volume, sealed with airtight lids to prevent drying, labeled and printed with batch numbers, color codes, and safety information. Thousands of cans per hour. For retail, Cans are printed with attractive branding and stacked on pallets. 200-liter drums are loaded for delivery. Step 7. Shipping and distribution. Once packaged, the paint products are organized in warehouses and tracked using barcode systems. Construction companies, automotive factories, export markets across the globe. Some factories even customize paint on demand, using robotic tinting machines to mix specific colors based on customer orders. These tinting systems can produce thousands of shades with pinpoint accuracy in just minutes. The final product. After days of processing, testing, and packaging, the journey from raw materials to ready-to-use paint is complete. Whether it's a simple white wall, a brightly colored car, or a waterproof coating on a bridge, every application starts in a paint factory where precision, chemistry, and creativity come together on a massive scale. In the end, it's not just about color. It's about performance, protection, and making the world a more vibrant place. That's the magic of paint manufacturing. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon.